Hi, hello, and welcome to Noodles Monday Aaha, a series on instant noodles. New recipes every Monday. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Let's get into the video. I'm going to prepare a mackerel shrimp laksa using this Singapore curry instant noodles. Now let's look into see what's there in this packet. Let's cut it open. We have the noodle blocks and we have the seasoning curry powder. Anything left? Now for this laksa we will be using a grilled mackerel. So I have taken a mackerel. We will first fillet the mackerel and marinate it. We will cut the mackerel here at this point and gently slide it. Slide the knife in a particular angle to reach the edge. So this is filleted. Now we will remove the bones on the edge. We'll fillet on the other side too. There's no bone left on this side. So we will marinate this mackerel and we will grill it. For marinating the mackerel, we'll add half a teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt for taste, squeeze in half a teaspoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Mix this. Now rub this on the mackerel. We're going to rub this on either sides. Now we will allow this to marinate for some time. Also going to add some fried shrimps to the laksa. So I have taken around 100 grams of shrimp. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of corn flour, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Some salt for taste. Squeeze in a bit of lemon juice into it. We'll mix this up. Allow this to marinate for some time. While the prawns and fish is getting marinated, we will prepare a paste for our laksa. So the base is going to be an onion, Now, I've taken a mixer jar. We'll add up 2 red chilies. We'll add the half diced onion, half an inch of ginger, and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Now, we usually add some shrimp paste to the laksa, but in this case, we'll add some dry shrimps and we will grind it along with the paste. So I've taken some dry shrimps, washed and kept. I'm going to add that. A little bit of salt for taste. Now we will grind this into a fine paste. We have ground the onion, ginger, garlic and shrimp into a fine paste. Now we would need chicken stocks for laksa. If you have fresh homemade chicken stock, you can use that. If in case you do not have chicken stock, in that case you can use the chicken bouillons available in market. So I'm going to use the chicken bouillon. I'm going to add this chicken bouillon to a cup and add some hot water. And mix it. This would be our chicken stock. First thing first, we will boil the noodles and keep it aside. So taking a pan and we'll add some water to the pan. Now once the water comes to a boil, add the blocks of noodles. And cook this for 2 minutes. Once the noodles are cooked, drain the water. Now set the noodles aside. Now we will grill the mackerel. We will add some oil to the grill pan. Add the mackerel to the grill pan. Grill it for 2 minutes on one side. Once it is grilled for 2 minutes on one side, turn it over. Once it is grilled on both the sides, set it aside. We'll add some oil to the pan and fry the shrimps. We'll use the same oil that we used to fry the shrimp. Add the ground masala. Once the masala is fried, add the seasoning. and the chicken stock. Add 1/4 cup of water to it and allow it to come to a boil. Now once it comes to a boil, reduce the flame to low and add coconut milk. Either you can use a canned one or you can use fresh coconut milk. Now this is a thick coconut milk. Mix it. As soon as it comes to a boil, turn off the stove. I've taken the boiled noodles in one bowl. We will add the fried shrimps. Add the curry. The grilled mackerel and a piece of egg. Hope you love this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.